Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up EU taxes in your Shopify store for 2024. If you've ever felt confused or overwhelmed by the rules around European VAT, or worried about missing something important, don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll have clear systems in place to collect and report EU taxes confidently, so your business stays compliant and your customers get a smooth shopping experience. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Up at the bottom left, you'll find this Settings tab. Go ahead and click on that. Inside Settings, look for Taxes and Duties. This is where Shopify puts all the tools you need for managing tax rules for different regions. It's essential to set these up correctly, because different countries in the EU can have different requirements, and you want to make sure your customers are always paying the correct tax wherever they're shopping from. Now, in the Tax Regions section, you'll see an option for the European Union. Click on this. You're now inside the part of Shopify that handles all VAT rules for EU orders. When you open it up, you'll notice an overview of your tax service. Shopify Tax will likely be enabled and active for your store. That means Shopify automatically helps manage calculations, VAT collection, and reporting for you. There's also a note here about transaction fees. If you reach $100,000 in global sales for the year, Shopify adds a small 0.25% fee. For most smaller businesses, it probably won't apply yet, but it's just good to know as you grow. This page gives you a summary of useful features like consolidated tax reports and VAT collection. Consolidated reports are fantastic because they gather all your tax data into one place, making things much easier when you do your accounting or file your taxes. VAT collection means Shopify is ready to help you collect value-added tax properly, both in your home country and across EU borders. Next, you'll see options for how to collect VAT. Click the button labeled Collect VAT. Here, you have two main choices. The first is using a one-stop shop, or OSS registration. OSS is particularly useful if you sell to multiple EU countries. It lets you handle all your VAT obligations with a single registration, which saves a lot of headaches. Just select the country where you've registered for OSS, then enter your VAT number. Take your time. Double-check you're picking the right country, since this affects how taxes are calculated and reported. The second method is collecting using your home country registration. This is ideal if you're a micro business, located in one EU country, and making less than $10,000 in sales to other EU countries each year. That's a nice threshold for smaller shops. Again, select your country and enter your VAT number. Then click Collect VAT to confirm. Now, let's talk about orders shipping to the EU via the IOSS system. Shopify's EU tax settings let you collect VAT on orders up to 150, perfect for those smaller sales to other countries. If you want to collect import VAT, just select the country, provide your IOSS VAT number, and hit Collect VAT. This helps ensure your customers pay the correct tax up front, so packages won't get stuck at customs or result in surprises for your buyers. You'll also see the VAT invoices feature. Enabling this means Shopify will automatically generate and display invoices to your customers whenever they place an order. It's a really helpful feature for business buyers who need official proof of VAT. But just a note, this isn't supported for orders going to Portugal right now, so if that's a key market for you, keep that in mind. Once you've finished entering all your tax settings and VAT numbers, don't forget the final step. Click Save. This makes everything official. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now set up to handle EU taxes correctly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more practical tutorials. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'm always here to help you navigate Shopify and keep your business running smoothly. See you in the next video.